Hey there! If you're looking to customize and reorder your Photos app in iOS 18 on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Organizing your photos and albums to fit your style can make it way easier to find what you're looking for and give your library a personal touch. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Rearrange photos in an album. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Customize and Reorder. After that, tap and hold the 3-line icon. Now drag it to your preferred location. You can even uncheck it from here if you want. Finally, it won't show up in the Photos app on your iPhone anymore. Solution 2. Create a new album. To get started, open the Photos app. Then scroll down. After that, tap on Albums. Now tap the Create icon in the top left corner. Next, select New Album. Go ahead and name your album, then tap Save. After that, tap the plus icon. Finally, select the photos you want to add to your new album and tap Done. By following these steps, you can easily customize and reorder your Photos app in iOS 18 on your iPhone, making it a more personalized and organized space for your memories. If you have any questions or need more help, just let me know. I'm here for you.